What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to get notifications when new startup apps are added in Windows 11. Lots of applications you install, and even Microsoft as part of Windows updates, will sneak in new applications that start up with your computer. These applications can slow down your computer's time it takes to boot up and negatively impact your computer's general performance. Thankfully, Microsoft makes it possible to set up notifications so you can easily see when startup applications are added on your Windows 11 computer. Now let's walk through the steps to get notifications when new startup apps are added in Windows 11. Step 1. Navigate to your Windows 11 home screen and then press the Windows and I keys at the same time. The Windows settings screen will be displayed. Step 2. Make sure System is selected in the menu on the left side of the screen. System options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Click Notifications in this list. The notifications screen is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down this list until you see Startup App Notification and then toggle that option on. Step 5. Click Startup App Notification to land on a screen where you'll see various options for configuring this notification. You can choose whether you get notification banners, whether these notifications show up in the notification center, whether a sound is played to make you aware of these notifications, and more. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.